Hi, I am Srimati Lohar Vidya from Sri Ram Madhyamik Vidya Mandir Padel. Today we are going to learn 10th standard English poem, A Teenager's Prayer. Friends, in the morning before we start our work, we pray to God, or when we are in difficult situation, we always pray to God. Now, what is the meaning of prayer and a teenager's prayer? Friends, here prayer means prarthana, and teenagers means a person aged between 13 and 19 years. The poem Teenager's Prayer is composed by J. Morse, and in this poem he has depicted the expectations of a teenager in life. The poem is addressed to God by a teenager. Here address means ला उद्देशून. ही प्रार्थना किशोरवयीन बालकाने देवाला उद्देशून मीन्स काय देवाला केलेली प्रार्थना आहे. And in this poem the teenager prays to God that he must guide all teenagers to lead a happy and rightful life. Friends, before we start the poem, open your books and see page number 3. In the margin, here are given some new words. First of all, let us see the meaning of these new words. Here, first word is darken. Darken, here it refers to evil or bad things. Next, distress. Distress means great worry and strain. In Marathi आपण त्याला दुःख असं म्हणायचं आहे. दुःख, चिंता, ताणतणाव असं. नेक्स्ट वर्ड टेम्पटेशन. टेम्पटेशन मीन्स अ स्ट्रॉंग विश टू डू समथिंग बॅड ऑर रॉंग. म्हणजेच काय मोह किंवा भुरळ पाडणारी अशी गोष्ट ज्याला इंग्लिशमध्ये टेम्पटेशन असं म्हणतात. So these are few words in our margin. Now let us see the poem. In the poem there are 5 stanzas. Each day brings new beginnings. Decisions I must make. I am the only one to choose the road that I will take. In this poem the poet says, each day brings new beginnings. According to the poet, each new day brings new beginnings. And teenagers must take the correct decision. He must take the right decision. And teenager or he or she has to choose the right path. Second stanza, I can choose to take the road of life that leads to great success, or travel down the darkened road that leads to great distress. Teenager must decide to take the road which leads to great success. He must travel on the road of life which leads to success. म्हणजेच काय किशोरवयीन बालकांनी जो मार्ग चांगला आहे, जो मार्ग यशाकडे नेणारा आहे, अशाच मार्गाने वाटचाल करणं आवश्यक आहे. If he travel on the darkened road or wrong path, if he follow evil things, it will lead him to great distress. जर तो चुकीच्या मार्गाने गेला, वाईट मार्गाने गेला, तर मात्र त्याला दुःखाला सामोरं जावं लागेल. If he chooses the darkened road, he may face great worry or pain. In the third stanza, please open open up my eyes, dear Lord, that I might clearly see. Help me stand for what is right. Bring out the best in me. In the third stanza, the teenager requests God to open his eyes. He wants to bring out the best qualities in him. He urges God to stand with him in bad things. He prays to the Lord to help him stand for what is right. Now, fourth stanza. Help, Lord, to just say no when temptation comes my way, that I might keep my body clean and fit for life each day. The poet wants to see that his teenage years have been the best of his life. He wants God's help to say no to temptation. He wants to maintain his body fit and clean. And last stanza. When my teenage years are over, I know that I will see that life is lived its very best with you walking next to me. The poet wants to see that his teenage years have been the best years of his life. By the time his teenage years are over means here संपणे, जेव्हा त्याचं हे किशोरवयीन वय हे संपून तो मोठा होईल, he will know that the life he lived under the guidance and help of the God was the best.